Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that Indian Defence Forces are very keen in acquiring drones or unmanned aerial vehicles from various countries and various indigenous organizations. In order to get a standard place in the drone market, one has to showcase something different and unique. One such performance has been showcased by an unmanned aerial vehicle designed and developed by T-Works. T-Works, which is Telangana government's premier prototyping center, has successfully built and tested an autonomous hybrid unmanned aerial vehicle. The hybrid unmanned aerial vehicle is also known as Airborne Medical Rapid Transport. In short, we call it as AMRT-25. Let me give a few quick facts and information about this particular drone. This UAV, designed and developed by T-Works, can perform vertical takeoff and landing. Post the launch, it can fly forward like a conventional winged aircraft. The power for vertically taking off and landing is provided by 10,000 mAh battery, and for forward flight, the energy comes from a 30cc gasoline engine. The most impressive fact about this particular drone is the distance it covered. As per the defense sources, it looks like this unmanned aerial vehicle covered almost 45 kilometers in 33 minutes. These drones can be used for surveying, inspection, defense applications, surveillance, and as a test bed for experimental payloads. It looks like these UAVs completed over 30 test flights over a week, passing various parameters such as maximum range, endurance, and waypoint navigation. The airframe and its indigenous components were designed and fabricated by T-Works using software design tools, 3D printing, laser cutting, and CNC routing machines. This drone has a wingspan of 2.5 meters. Due to such great performance of this drone, it puts T-Works among few organizations which can design, fabricate, integrate, and operate a long-range vertical takeoff and landing hybrid drones. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.